This is the right dome of diaphragm, the left dome of diaphragm. Here you can see the cut edge of the lesser omentum. Now this hole is the stomach, this is the greater curvature, this here you can see is the lesser curvature, and this thing, this is the lesser omentum. This was the attached part of the lesser omentum which was attached to the liver. You can see this inverted L direction. This vertical limb of the L was attached to the fissure for ligamentum venosum, and this horizontal limb that is attached to the lips of the porta hepatis. It is actually this part. Here you can see the three structures which are present in this free border of the lesser omentum. My finger is within the portal vein. This one is the proper hepatic artery, and this one is the, if I set the exposure correctly and I use a forceps, I will just hold. This is the bile duct, this one is the proper hepatic artery, and behind them both, this one I am unable to show in this view, the wide calibered one, that is the portal vein. And behind these things, behind this was lying the foramen. Now my finger, if I pass it behind the lesser omentum, now my fingers are within the lesser sac, and like this. And also if I go into the left hypochondrium, you see the stomach is very large in this person, but eventually I am able to see this thing. This is that part in the depth which is visible, that is the spleen. Let me just point to the spleen. This one, this is the spleen which is related to the fundus of the stomach. The stomach is grossly enlarged in the subject, but the fundus is reaching there. That is the spleen, and between the spleen and the stomach there will be the gastrosplenic ligament, right? And in the upper part, this one is the gastrophrenic ligament, then there is gastrosplenic ligament, and eventually this one is the greater omentum. These three, that is the gastrophrenic, then the gastrosplenic, related to the between the greater curvature and the spleen and the greater omentum, these three are derivatives of ventral part of dorsal mesogastrium.